So to make these pinecone bird feeders, you just want to start off with some pine cones, the bigger the better, and some coconut oil, and with your fingers you just want to sort of brush this over all the edges and like points and curves of the pine cone. This is going to essentially be the glue to stick the bird feed on with, as it hardens as well in cold weather, so it's perfect for winter to keep them stuck. So as you can see, you just want to make sure you've got an even coverage all the way around your pine cone. Before moving on to the next step. So for this you're going to need some seed mix. I got mine from Tesco's for £1, so it's really inexpensive, and you just want to open it and sprinkle some out onto your tray or where you're working, and then grab your pine cone and roll it all around in the bird seed so that the coconut oil sticks to it, and then just simply place it in the fridge for a little bit if your coconut oil is quite liquidy or not as solid, and then add some string and hang it up, and there we are.